Let's learn how to divide the number 325 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. It is less than 5, so we will consider the two digits, that is the number 32. We know that 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we get 2. Now see that 2 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 5 here. Now 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 325 divided by 5 is equal to 65. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.